Picture the cosmos, a realm filled with enigmatic mysteries. Among these, black holes stand out as a marvel of nature. These regions of space exhibit such intense gravitational pull that nothing, not even light, can escape their grasp. They're born from the remnants of massive stars that collapse under their own gravity. Black holes vary in size, ranging from stellar to supermassive and intermediate black holes. Each has unique properties: mass, spin, and charge, influencing their interaction with surrounding space. Imagine an invisible boundary, the event horizon, beyond which escape becomes impossible. As objects draw nearer, they undergo spaghettification, stretching and elongating due to extreme tidal forces. Yet black holes aren't just cosmic vacuum cleaners. They emit Hawking radiation, defying their notorious swallowing nature. Black holes truly challenge our understanding of the universe, testing our comprehension of space, time, and gravity. Now, armed with this knowledge, how would you choose to illustrate the enigma of black holes? Your vision could be the next step in unraveling these cosmic mysteries.